Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I actually just received in the mail my third-party / aftermarket AirTag Key Chain accessory. So without further ado, on to the video. So I'm now here outside in my backyard. I've got my outdoor unboxing table here, as well as my Apple AirTag. That's right guys, there it is. I've got my knife again. Alright. And guys, I just got this package in the mail. It's my third-party aftermarket AirTag Key Chain accessory. So let's go ahead now, grab my knife and unbox it. Alright, it's open. There we go. You guys can see inside there. Let's go ahead and pull it out. And there it is guys. Wow. It's a black AirTags Key Chain, okay? And then inside the bag is empty, so we'll just throw it off to the side. So let's go ahead now and unbag it here for you guys. There it is. Wow, awesome. It's black leather with a nice beautiful key ring on the end of it and a pop handle here, so you can insert your AirTag. Wonderful guys. I'll put this off to the side. Okay, here's the actual AirTag. So let's go ahead now and install it in the actual key holder ring. And there we go, almost perfect. Snap it back in place. Make sure it's all the way down. And there you have it. Absolutely amazing guys. I love it so much. Now all I have to do is either attach it to my keys, or in my case, what I'm gonna do is actually place it somewhere in my car, hidden away, so I can track my car and see where it's located at all times of the day or night. So there you have it guys. I just got in the mail and therefore unboxed my all new third-party / aftermarket AirTag key ring accessory in black leather. Absolutely amazing. The fit and finish is quite close. Not exactly perfect, but close enough. You guys can see there the bottom part is a little bit too sticking up high. But that's okay. And here's the front of it. Absolutely wonderful guys. I highly recommend this product to everyone out there. The link of it will be down in the description box below. Please guys drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Tell everyone about this third-party / aftermarket key ring accessory. There's also a lot of other type of Apple accessories, as well as the Hermes one, and they're all located on aliexpress.com. That's right guys. So go on there, pick out your favorite AirTag accessory and buy it just like I did. So guys, take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on an upcoming video.